5 seconds. The Indian Navy is the naval branch of the Indian Armed Forces. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Navy. The Chief of Naval Staff, a 4-star admiral, commands the Navy. The Indian Navy traces its origins back to the East India Company's Marine, which was founded in 1612 to protect British merchant shipping in the region. In 1793, the British East India Company established its rule over eastern part of the Indian subcontinent, that is Bengal, but it was not until 1830 that the colonial navy was titled as His Majesty's Indian Navy. When India became a republic in 1950, the Royal Indian Navy, as it had been named since 1934, was renamed to Indian Navy. The primary objective of the Navy is to safeguard the nation's maritime borders and, in conjunction with other armed forces of the Union, act to deter or defeat any threats or aggression against the territory, people, or maritime interest of India, both in war and peace. Through joint exercises, goodwill visits, and humanitarian missions, including disaster relief, Indian Navy promotes bilateral relations between nations. The maritime history of India dates back to 6,000 years with the birth of art of the navigation and navigating during the Indus Valley civilization. A Kutch mariner logbook from 19th century recorded that the first tidal dock India has been built at Lothal around 2300 BC during the Indus Valley civilization near the present-day harbour of Mangrol on the Gujarat coast. The Rigveda credits Varuna, the Hindu god of water and the celestial ocean, with knowledge of the ocean routes and describes the use of ships having 100 oars in the naval expeditions by Indians. There are also references to the side wings of a ship called Palava, which stabilizes the vessels during storms. Palava is considered to be the precursor of modern day stabilizers. The first use of mariner compass, called as Matsya Yantra, was recorded in 4 and 5 AD. While the President of India serves as the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces, the organizational structure of Indian Navy is headed by the Chief of Naval Staff, who holds the rank of Admiral. While the provision for the rank of Admiral of the fleet exists, it is primarily intended for major wartime use and honor. No officer of the Indian Navy has yet been conferred this rank. The CNS is assisted by the Vice Chief of Naval Staff, a Vice Admiral. The CNS also heads the integrated headquarters of the Ministry of Defense based in New Delhi. The Deputy Chief of Naval Staff, a Vice Admiral, is a Principal Staff Officer along with the Chief of Personnel and the Chief of Materiel, both of whom are also Vice Admirals. The Director General, Medical Services, is a surgeon. Vice Admiral heads the medical services of the Indian Navy. The Indian Navy operates 3 operational commands. Each command is headed by a flag officer, commanding in chief of the rank of Vice Admiral. The Eastern and Western commands each have a fleet commanded by a Rear Admiral.
The Western Fleet based at Mumbai is commanded by the Flag Officer commanding Western Fleet, and the Eastern Fleet based at Visakhapatnam is commanded by the Flag Officer commanding Eastern Fleet. They each also have a Commodore commanding submarines. The Southern Naval Command is home to the Flag Officer Sea Training.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.